Hello guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get sunlight filter on TikTok. So I'm in TikTok camera. To get this effect you have to click here, effects. Now I'm in trending. Here slide until you find filter. Okay, now slide up and remember this image. This is the sunlight filter. And if you can't see the filter here, you can go to this website. Link to this website is in the description box below. Here you will see this icon. Tap on this icon, filter icon, and you will be directed to the effect page. From here you can save it to your favorite. So that's it guys. Likewise you can get this filter on TikTok. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.